The MAKITA 18V LXT Brushless High Torque 7/16" hex impact drill. The efficient brushless motor delivers a full 590 foot-pounds of max torque. For linemen and electricians, this is a cordless solution for demanding applications like wood boring with a ship auger bit. For added precision when you need it, the 3-speed power selection switch adjusts the speed and torque to match the application. The MAKITA brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer runtime per charge. And it has no carbon brushes, so it runs cooler and more efficiently for longer life. It has a hanging ring for added convenience, and at just over 8 pounds, it has less weight than top corded models. The kit includes 2 fast-charging 5 amp-hour batteries, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. It's equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the MAKITA 18V series, the world's largest 18V lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. This powerful fastening solution is a must-have for linemen and electricians